Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to share a very simple and easy recipe with you. This recipe was given to me by my mom and she used to use this on regular basis to get a perfect glowing skin. So if you are interested in watching this video further, let's get started. So the first ingredient is going to be some orange peel powder. You can use fresh one also. I had ordered this one. And some turmeric, honey, you can use less quantity if you have very oily skin, and some milk. I used about 3 teaspoons of milk to make this paste. It should be like this, not too drainy. And you need to just wet your face before using this one. And then apply this evenly on your face. We all know the amazing benefits of orange peel powder. It gives you an instant glow and also brightens up your face. Reduces pigmentation and dark spots also, giving you a really flawless skin. I have used organic turmeric in this. You can use the regular one also. That is equally very effective for your skin. Honey also hydrates and milk moisturizes your face. Also apply this on your neck. I'm using all the remaining paste. You need to keep it for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse off. This forms a quite thick layer on your skin, so it's a little difficult. You can use some warm water also if you want, that will help. So you can see this one has really made my skin brighter. If used on regular basis, this will give you amazing results. Now I'm applying some serum. You can use any cream that you have. So within 15 to 20 minutes you will get this glow using this face mask. Do let me know in the comments how you find this, and thank you for watching. If you haven't, please do subscribe to my channel.